escaping from a busy city. I will take you to a sea in hometown with clear sky and indigo sea. You will find the beauty of the Gulf of Thailand. Royal adventure will take you around the boat. Get nice breeze, go to small and large island, and go round reef diving at Tashana marvelous. I will take you to our Thong Thailand. Royal adventure, I will take you to the ocean. Royal adventure, please let me take care of you, can trust me. Have you been to full moon night party? 1 hour and 30 minutes, it's how long it takes. Let's leave Tashana for a party at Koh Phangan. It's we party under full moon. You can come by plane, car and train. I will take care of you on heaven on 100 island. And there are many tasty local food. Suratani province is full of generous people. Royal adventure, I will take you to the ocean. Royal adventure, please let me take care of you, can trust me. From a busy city, we go to Prat Mangrove Forest and go around to forest, mountains and water. Soaking waterfall explorer, Tashana to watch birds and trees. Tashana is full of happiness in front of some rest beach. Royal adventure, I will take you to the ocean. Royal adventure, please let me take care of you, can trust me. Royal adventure, I will take you to the ocean. Royal adventure, please let me take care of you, can trust me.